Alright, welcome back to where we left off. Alright, so our next question on here is choose the appropriate settings in the password generator to create a strong password. So for this, we're going to choose a password length that's at least 12. We're going to allow uppercase, allow lowercase, allow numbers, and allow symbols. And then you just click generate, generates your strong password. Place the firewall rules in the proper order from top to bottom to 1. Allow outbound traffic to any destination. So that basically means from our own, inside the computers of our company, wherever we're working, or home, or allow the outbound traffic to go anywhere. 2, we're going to deny inbound traffic to not going to the web server. So we're going to block it from anything from the outbound coming at us, as long as it's coming to our web server, it's cool. Otherwise, no, it's going to get blocked. And 3, we're going to deny all other traffic. So whenever you hear the phrase, make sure you end your rules by implicitly deny, that's basically what they're talking about on that. So as you can see, the answer, we drag and drop to make this work for number 1 as allow any internal to external off of any port. That's part number 2. Allow HTTPS, source external, destination 10.0012, the web server, and 443 is going to be the port for that. And then the third one, deny all other traffic. Deny any external to internal, so anything other stuff that's coming at us that's not going to the web server, we're going to block it. And then we're always going to end on deny any. Alright, review the log for the server, then answer the questions below. Now for this one, the sim, as soon as you answer this, it's going to have some other questions pop up over here for more details on it. But so we're going to identify the attack, and did the attack succeed? As you see, here's the systems everyone's trying to use. Think of it as, like for military-wise, for family health, they use like they have different teams they're logging on as, and then their actual account name itself, like who they are. So it was a brute force attack, and it did succeed. As we can see, the account name is Paul. They tried using the silver system, they tried using the lead system, and then they tried using the antimony system. That's what this says. They failed here with 893 counted attempts. Then they failed on the lead system with 780. Then they failed on the antimony server, 230 count. Then they actually succeeded, as you can see right here. So they got through. They're asking, okay, what was the account name? It was Paul. What was the system they actually got through on? And it was that antimony server or system. Configure the Radius server using a secure password of your choosing. So obviously, the first step is we're going to enable the server. You got to choose password for it, authentication port, and accounting port. We talked about it earlier with the WPA2 system with Enterprise, how we're going to configure that stuff. So for the password, I use a 12-digit password using caps and also some numbers, and they ended it with symbols too. But authentication ports always be 1812. The accounting port to be 1813. Drag the fire extinguisher class to the flammable material it is most designed to suppress. So for solids, wood, paper, cloth, etc., we're going to use Class A fire extinguisher. For cooking oils, we're going to use K. For electrical equipment, Class C. Combustible metal, we're going to use D. And flammable gas, we're going to use B as in Bravo. Alright, that's the end of this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to do probably a flashcard video next. Thank you.